The Kintampo Waterfalls is now open and declared safe. The waterfall was closed for almost 2 years following a disaster. Tourism Minister Mrs Catherine Afeku and the MP for Kintampo North, Mr. Kwasi Etu Bonde, announced this on the floor of Parliament after presenting a report by the sector committee on the disaster at the Kintampo Waterfalls.
In March 2017, an incident occurred at the Kintampo Waterfalls in the Bonde region, resulting in the death of 20 people, while 21 others sustained injuries. Later in April, 2 statements on the incident were made in Parliament, following which the Speaker referred the matter to the Committee on Trade, Industry and Tourism for discussion. Almost 2 years after, the committee has presented its report to the House with some recommendations.
We recommended that there could be fencing on the waterfall area, creation of fire belt and then buffer zones for the waterfall area. But we also people that there should have been routine checks on the trees that fell. There was inadequate education, and we recommend that we still educate visitors to the sites on some of the key things that they should be cautious of.
Tourism and Creative Arts Minister Mrs Catherine Afeku and the MP for Kintampo North, Mr. Kwasi Etu Bonde, said the Kintampo Waterfalls, which was closed to the public after the disaster, is now safe and open for use.
Health post is something which was recommended, but as of now, the structure is there, and we are doing everything possible to convert some of the structure to become a health post. Kintampo Waterfalls is back to life and now safer than ever.
But what is important, Mr. Speaker, is to use this August House to send a message to the good people of the Kintampo and beyond that bushfires caused by our farmers in the enclave cannot be entertained and should not be encouraged. Kintampo Waterfalls is safe and it's back, and we entreat all members to patronize our jogging site.